If you want to analyze your campaign performance or share results with someone, downloading reports from Google Ads is an essential skill. And in this tutorial, you will learn exactly how to do it step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. Reports help you understand important data like clicks, impressions, conversions, and cost, which allows you to make better decisions and improve your campaigns over time. First, log into your Google Ads account and go to the main dashboard. From here, you can download reports directly from almost any section, including campaigns, ad groups, keywords, or ads. Start by navigating to the section you want to analyze. For example, click on Campaigns if you want an overview of all campaigns. Once the data table appears on your screen, you can customize it before downloading. Click on the columns icon and choose the metrics you want to include, such as clicks, impressions, cost, and conversions. This step is important because the downloaded report will only include the columns you select. After customizing your view, look for the download icon, usually located at the top right of the table. Click on it to open the download options. Now you will see different file format options like CSV, Excel, or PDF. For most beginners, Excel or CSV is the best choice because it allows you to edit and analyze the data easily. Select your preferred format, then click Download. Your report will be saved to your device. If you want more advanced reporting, you can use the Reports section in Google Ads. Click on the Reports icon from the top menu, then choose Predefined Reports or create a custom report. Here, you can build detailed reports with filters, segments, and charts. Another useful feature is scheduling reports. If you need reports regularly, click on the Schedule option and set a frequency like daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also choose to receive the report via email, which saves time and keeps you updated automatically. Make sure to select the correct date range before downloading or scheduling any report. This ensures your data is accurate and relevant. Before sharing your report, quickly review it to make sure all the necessary data is included. Clean and well-structured reports are easier to understand and more useful for decision-making. Over time, as you become more comfortable, you can explore advanced features like segmentation and comparison reports. In simple terms, downloading a report from Google Ads involves selecting the right data, customizing columns, choosing a file format, and downloading or scheduling the report. This process helps you track performance and make informed decisions for better results. If you found this tutorial helpful, keep following for more simple and practical guides that help you master Google Ads step by step.